Here's a quick guide on how you can enter into the floating app window mode, which allows you to have your app enter into this mini window view mode here. This is for OnePlus phones with Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15. And let's get started. In order to access the floating app window mode, let's just say you have an app open already or multiple apps open already. On your OnePlus, you can go ahead into the recents view mode or perform the recents gesture. And when you enter into this view mode here, you're gonna see these three dots at the top right of every app. So if you have more than one apps open, you'll see the three dots here. When you see it, go ahead and tap on it, and you'll see floating window. Not every app is capable of entering into floating window mode, but once it's there, that means it can go into it. So go ahead and tap on it now, and you'll have this here happen. So before you continue, you can also adjust the size of it. You can also shrink it with the corners here and move it around by holding down on the tab up here. You can also tap on the three dots area and you have the minimize option, which will allow it to enter into this little floating icon here. And you can just simply tap on it and reopen it once again, okay? Now, another cool thing is with this floating window mode here, you can also tap or open up another app, have that app in the background fully displayed, navigate it while also having, like, let's say, for example, YouTube playing the video itself while you are also navigating the other videos or websites or all that stuff. Okay, so it's a pretty cool feature, and you can tap here to go back into full screen mode, and that will be it. You can always re-enter into it by repeating the same process, like and sub.